You're just looking for a product with which you can mount your phone almost anywhere, such as when you are in the car, you want to use GPS navigation and you want both of your hands to be free. When you're in the kitchen working or making something and you want both of your hands to be free for the work and want to watch some videos or any such thing and want to mount your phone on the wall, then this product here is the answer, and this product here is the product that you need. So hey guys, what's up? Here I'm Kshitij from Channel Technology, and in this video I will be giving you an unboxing and my review of this TechSense MagBack Multi-Mount. First of all, let's quickly get with the unboxing of this product, and let me just show you what all you get on the box. On the front we can see it's a TechSense branding, it's written MagBack Multi-Mount. Here we can get a look and an idea of how the product looks when we just open, how the product will look when you just open it. On this side we get it's written all our products come with 30 days money back guarantee. If you are not satisfied with your purchase, then you can just email them to care@techsenselab.com. I have seen very rare companies who just provide this feature of 30 days money back guarantee. So what this actually means is that if you don't like the product in 30 days, you can just write to them on the email address provided here, and they will issue you a refund, or they will issue a replacement and ask you what did you not like about the product. On this side we just get a TechSense MagBack branding. On this side we are able to see that there are 3 colors available for this device. It's a silver one, a rose gold one, and a gold one. I ordered a rose gold one for me. On the bottom you can see it's importer address and contact. This is the same email address, and also we can see the month of import. So let's quickly get with the unboxing. Let me just open this pack and show you that what all you get inside if you order this MagBack Multi-Mount. So this company TechSense Lab, if I talk about the customer support, let me just talk with you about customer support. So the customer support is just awesome. You can contact them on FB, you can contact them on email address which is provided here, and the response is really very quick, and they are really they really care for the customers and for their suggestions. Like if I tell you my experience when I ordered this product, first of all, of course, I got the Amazon message that I have ordered this product and it will be delivered. The second message which I got was from TechSense Lab team, and it was a message for thank you for buying, you are a valuable customer and many such things. Also the best part was that when the product was dispatched, what actually I got message was a message with description and many such things, how to use the product, what precautions to when you are using the product. So this I really like, because rarely we can see these things in nowadays with companies. They really don't care about if anyone orders, they just deliver the package. But okay, that's normal, but this is a special thing by this company. They just really care for the customers. So if you talk about the inbox contents, here we can see a MagBack Multi-Mount. Let me just show you this. Here you can have a better look, and this is actually rubber, so this is really looking very nice and feeling very nice. This is rubber. This is the branding, this is the logo of TechSense Lab. This is the rose gold color as you can see, and this is the 3M taping on behind to attach this on your wall or any flat surface. So this weighs really not that much also, but not that less also. So actually how you have to attach your phone with this mount, I will just show you in the later part of the video. If you talk about what is this plate, you have to just stick on the back of your smartphone, then you can just cover it with your mobile cover with any such thing, or if you don't want it covered, then you can leave it as it is. So this actually you have to just remove this 3M taping, and you have to place this on the back on a smartphone, and then you have to place this mag mount on the wall, and this will just attach to it. You can just see how it attaches with the mag mount. So this is really a very good force. So you can see again how it attaches. If I give you an example, also I will be showing you when I just attach my smartphone with this, and I will attach this on the wall. So we get 2 plates. That is a very good thing, that if we apply one plate on one phone, then we can just apply one more on another one if you want to use another phone with this MagBack Multi-Mount. So this is a very good thing that we get 2 of these plates, not one. Okay, so if you talk about what is this, a 3M coating. So if you a 3M tape, if you just remove this, and I will just show you by removing. Yes, so here you can see it's good nice gum here. So if you just place this on your wall and stick it on your wall, then if I talk about if you just after 1 month, 2 months, 3 months you want to remove it and place it somewhere else, you must be facing problem that the back of this has got dirt, because when you just place it on wall or any such thing, it attaches dirt to it and it's not sticking. You can just remove this one and place this one inside this, so inside this mag mount. So this is very good that we get three such tapings which we can just stick inside this mag mounts, and they also say it's 3mm. I think yes, it's 3mm. So it provides a very good amount of attach. It attaches really very well, but I will be showing you that how it looks after attaching and how we have to do it. So if you just, as I told you, if you're just not able to attach it after a few months, you have to place it somewhere else, then you can take out this one and you can just, these are additional 2 of them provided. You can just put this in and you can just place it, and this will become like a brand new mag mount. So this is very good that we are getting 2 extra plates, we are getting 3 extra these stickers which we can just use if this one has got dirty or any such thing. So these are the inbox. Okay, so you can see the force. So these are the inbox contents. Also here we get a user manual, which I forgot to tell you about in the early part of the video. Their tagline is where quality matters, and really I think I really give a thumbs up to the quality. It's very awesome. You can see that these 2 plates have stick to this mag mount. Okay, so let me just take this off, and here you can see where quality matters. TechSense Lab, the branding, techsenselab.com. Here it's different things, and this company is from Australia, so it's not an Indian company, let me just tell you. So here you can see our story, there are different things, and this is a product, many of the products, MagBag mobile mount, multi-mount, 3A dual card USB charger. These are all of the products. Let me just give you look. If you want to read, you can pause the video and read this. Here you can see many of the products, VR headset also, but I asked them about the VR headset. It's under development and it's not yet being sold in India, but all of the other products are available in India for sale. You can find their products on Amazon.com, so Amazon.in in India. So if we talk about this VIP, this is a really very awesome feature by the company, because if you, first of all, let me just tell you, when you order this product, you get a 6 months limited warranty. But if you register on their site for the VIP, within 20, here you can just, let me just read out to you. Register your product within the first 21 days to get a extra 6 months warranty and warranty free and loads of other benefits. So here you can see the benefits: 6 months extra warranty, so you will get 1 year warranty, free 100 rupees voucher, so that is a very good thing. And let me just tell you about the pricing. Let me just not create a suspense or any such thing. So the pricing of this mag mount is only rupees 500, and if you get a voucher or any such thing like just 100 rupees voucher, you can just get it in for 400 rupees or any such thing. Also, I don't know if it's available for more cheaper price in sales. I will update the description with the buying link. So here you can see 70% off on our new products. So the new products that have been launched by them are cases for mobiles. I will be reviewing one of them very soon on my channel, so stay tuned for that. So here you can see a techsenselab.com/VIP if you have to register this product. So this was the unboxing of this mag mount. We really get 3 of these, 1 applied. We get 2 plates, so that is a really good thing. The box is very short. You can just pack this all back into it. If you want to just carry this to somewhere else, so box is very short. If you want to just carry it, it will be not of much load. So now let me just show you an example. If I just stick it to any wall. Now I will show you how to use this mag mount. If you just don't want to see it, you can just skip the video for 1 to 2 minutes, and I'm doing this if you know how to use it. But many people don't know how to use this plates and the sticker. So let me just show you how to use this plates and sticker. So this is a really nice gum here. So how to use this? You have to just place this on the back of a smartphone. Here you can see I've placed this on the back of a Lyco 1S. And this mag mount I will place here on the wall. I will just show you. So here is the wall. I will just place this mag mount. So all I have to do is remove this 3M this thing, and now I will just place it here. Yes, so here you can see I've placed this mag mount on my wall. Yes, so now I've also got this smartphone Lyco 1S. I will show you that. Yes, so here you can have a clear look of how the phone is attached, how quickly it attached. I will just show you again. For removing this, you just have to apply very less force. You have to just snatch it out with very less force and it will come out. I will just show you again. So this attaches really, really fast. If you want to just stream any video, you want to watch any video, I'll just show you. And now I want to show you that if I am just doing some work here and both of my hands are busy and I want to watch some videos, you can attach this phone like this also. So this is a it has a very good force of attraction. You can see it's my video only. So if I'm just, like I told you, I'm doing any work and I want to watch any videos, you can see how well the phone is attached to the wall with the mag mount, and this is a very durable product. I advise you all not to place this mag back multi mount on any normal wall with the POP or distemper covering, because actually I will tell you what happened with me. I will just close these lights and show you here. Actually I placed it here on my wall, and you can see this is normal wall with the distemper covering, and here you can see that when I just placed this here, mag mount here, and when I tried to remove it, first of all it was not that easy to remove. I had to remove it with this whatever you call it screwdriver, and then when this came out with the distemper covering or the POP covering, whatever we can call it. So I advise you only and only to use this product in, like, we can say wooden study tables, wooden surfaces, on metal surfaces, on cars, on tiles, which like walls which are made up of tiles, covered with tiles, on study tables which are made of wood, or on a bed, or any such thing. You use it anywhere, but I advise you not to use it on these normal walls, because the 3M is very, very powerful. It will just snatch out the POP or the distemper covering with it. Also, the second thing which I advise you is that if you just place this whatever you can call this metal plate here on the phone, please don't just take it out and put it back 5 to 6 times, or just play with it, because this loses its stickiness, of course, with time. I just removed this 2 to 3 times, and then it started removing its stickiness, and it was not sticking properly. So this was one of the advice. Rest, the product is just awesome in 500 rupees. In my review, I really like the product, because this product, the inbox contents which we get in the product, they are just worth 500 rupees. We get 2 extra plates, 3 extra these stickers which can be placed behind the mount. Also we get a user manual, that VIP thing which we have to register, that was really special and really different. The emails which we get, the customer support, everything is awesome. But only, as I told you, these 2 advices you have to keep in mind if you are using this MagBack multi mount. So thank you guys, this was all in this review. If you like the video, then please hit the like button, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because I keep uploading such technical content and giving you latest reviews of different products.